for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so Mr. And there your first time or have subscribe and not clicking notification bell so MIN. Now we are latest news we about one Sabeka. Metro send your bay or screen so now with this is happy paper MIN. And no any other screen so Siciano, Mr. This is happy paper MIN. Oh yeah, number now at that screen now see no. And no your number what per se when you at your train come if I send be who are send be what person only get a train come a fan you show to me a first number no near no at your train come your Facebook page and so link no description box no now Miss per se your casa efa Shatawale the trending story now currently as we are speaking Shatawale air trending number 1 on Twitter what trending number 2 just say wo fa Twitter wo fa Facebook wo fa baby a Shatawale air trending social media baby a what trending na who name the Asia the gist another news in town they say Beyonce and then say be Africa Beyonce and no be your friend Ghana Beyonce and then Beyonce ankasa American musician Beyonce Jay-Z yere Beyonce but no why album na the album no your friend Lion King the gift na album no will feature some African musicians. Na nipa bakwa will feature no the only person that will feature no will feature na Shatawale. Na enjumna will feature no was no enjumna your friend already. Inti enone news no enene news about bonten say Shatawale and Beyonce. Womo ye enjum ena aba breaking news and there by saying then a track list in the bar bonte just say Shatawale po there when Beyonce ye njom no wan ba me control bia wan ba bonte ya ma obia so ante eno na yenya ante ye say o sign non disclosure agreement na eno no say mostly no eniga na ha say mbofofo ho de wo ho say woni obi ye njoma na yemvan say obroni star bi na just woni wo ye njoma wo be sign sa agreement no say wonfa bibia emba abonten wonfa news bia emba abonten until say nipa konankasa ebe release the news international Shatawale into me anka because ye near him say Shatawale dear nanka by this time obeba abonten abeka because say nanse ya beat before beat I was beba so no almost sending an email kra no oba beka say beat for sending the email o utimi say ebia one more everman nomination but enoka nomination number Intino obite say Shatawale ayenim say he's very close with his fans na there BBC and he expect say wo beba bonten abeka but one beka 90 ya yenya say was signing non-disclosure agreement and nothing na Shatawale went to me embra amma na kwan say one bra bonten embekasa emfa ho no be bisa say eba na say na Shatawale wotumi eco feature wo Beyonce this particular project so obia enim no one knows but from Africa no Shatawale is not the only musician from Africa what Nigeria for ne there senior de can ba Africa ha njum to there I say Nigeria for no say o mo akonka bebia what Nigeria Wizkid e feature Burna Boy e feature Mr Easy e feature and aside Mr Easy no me hwe biom Yemi Alade but asema nkrofo ka senior medi kaka no wo bia enim senior Shatawale wo feature album ne so wo bia enim but nkrofo ka ne say Mr Easy ebetumi aba ne say Mr Easy no provide a link no because ye ne enim say na say Mr Easy ekobo Coachella na Coachella no okọ abrochia is the biggest music festival and there ye it is a festival and kasa live need them for 3-4 days complete into Mr Easy this year one Burna Boy I think they really did well okobo Coachella and for me no me nim de ntia nkrofo eka say Mr Easy in the link Shatawale me nim de ntia but me the margin fa ho a de me hu ne say de ntia nkrofo eka sa ne say Mr Easy also featured on it. And Mr Easy on the producer friend Guilty Beat produced 3 songs on that album. 3 songs on that album. And Shatawale himself, you know, you say Mr Easy enya link no wie no ena won sanso e link Shatawale because Mr Easy the onu de bi oka say wo pe Shatawale asempa aha nti no eno ene nsema yate but we can't confirm this any American no we can't confirm this rumors be a kokoko round but we can't really confirm this but for me I'm very happy whether it's Mr Easy or not whether whatever the fact is Beyonce obi to say Beyonce no answer na wo be pene ama enjom akọ ono ne album so no on be scrutinize enjom no ahwe sounds na ahwe say o lyrics na wo dey aba enjom no so no eye ana enye into the fact that Shatawale a pass test when ya and he represented on the album track list no sheni din any nyama also there it tells you that Shatawale delivered. That's what we need to keep in mind because any himself bro fufu way Beyonce any Jay-Z sebe wo mo mfa bola goose bia emba bonten into the fact say Shatawale made it on the album only tells you say indeed Shatawale really did well. Nkofo was happen me ebisa me say enjom no title already nkofo frame me was happen me ebisa me say enjom no me wa na me send mo so far no ma try say me nya enjom no me nya enjom no ye but mo amunim say me nya enjom no dey me to me post wa because of copyright issues me to me post wa but munim say me nya enjom no dia mitia mema wo better review but because it's from Beyonce they him say it's a great song na me share interview bi Beyonce granted ye Beyonce when you be a what I granted interview bet to me about say in a whole year Beyonce be granted interview one pe one no any Jay-Z say e bet to me about 2-3 years ka kono na say go bia ni wiase ma we interview omo. They are that big. They are that huge. I don't even need to tell you, say these people are huge. Now, one of the very rare interview at Beyonce granted recently. As some of Beyonce kind of say, "What share the album now? Title no The Lion King, The Gift." Now Beyonce, will you be a Lion King? Omo ye new movie eba bonten. Na new movie na eba bonten. Beyonce you be a what dim waiting to mind pa. Interna we ye album we ever the Lion King no ho and I can Lion King in so naturally say Africa who answer na walk because Africa has say na ye can wild no the lion this anyamanity Lion King no is based on African and South African culture which is also an African culture because we shall Lion King in collaboration e sha amuka Hakuna Matata na nyamanini South Africa for kasa Into no Beyonce said, "What share the album no title na The Lion King, The Gifter." Na kasa about Lion King no. Na because the scenery and the setting Africa ha ene one into no. They wanted to add the top talents in Africa. Woma omuhu ne say eba Africa ha say asebe womo talent no top no. Womo ena ye gada ya ye de omo album. Niti wo sha Wizkid album ne so. Mr. Easy album ne so some South African musicians be album ne so but me share that name omudin but omudin as a bassist wa o se den me share that name edin papa em so me group o se den omo so album ne so Burna Boy so album ne so Yemi Alade album ne so now the only person from Ghana Shatawale and so it tells you say they went round well they really did a search and a womogada top musicians senior Beyonce nankasa woko kan was interview ne so no say was sheda no motenase e na womo gada womo a womo hu ne say oh Africa had ye ba nkofu we ade no nti no eno ne nsema nkofu bebre kasa afa wo hwa sa akode I reacted to it Manifest I reacted to it Stonebwoy I reacted to it the Stonebwoy put the kind so say Ghana we shouldn't sleep on this is huge and indeed so it is huge. Now, the evidence says Stonebwoy cast asem no. Shatawale ebe reply Stonebwoy no cast say, bro, this is for you and me. In the Stonebwoy cast a Ghana for asem way there a huge yen celebrity. Congratulations to Shatawale no. Shatawale be reply Stonebwoy say, bro, this is for you and me. Naturally say it's here for omu kwe nim no. Now, I think this is not really related, but Stonebwoy and Shatawale nsem no. Will be back as still for hide. Me no the be do no say me hu say enye for hype because Stonebwoy ka the latest interview awokoye with Ibro. The latest interview awokoye with Ibro, Stonebwoy ka say afraid the say oni Shatta Wale better na see a wo mo hwehwe mu no ono kra hu ne say ono Stonebwoy no he's biologically related to Shatta Wale. Na try say wo kon nechi a otumi say Stonebwoy no kra no wo fi Shatta Wale busium eye ne mother ye ne say Shatta Wale ne maame eya igbemi. And that's where the link is from. Now Shatta Wale maame mpo abeka asem we pen. Ama Stonebwoy ba bonti be deny embra no mo kono. But Stonebwoy say sisi ano wo matena say ahwe nsem no no kra wa be realize and ya beka che no. Eno no anka say hu say ne kre say indeed Shatta Wale is even related to him. So it's for winning in sema e ba che wa dwen e comment box no me da say